First things first, let's get acquainted with your handheld sewing machine. These nifty devices are small, lightweight, and battery-operated, making them perfect for sewing in tight spaces or when you're away from your sewing machine. To set up your handheld sewing machine, start by inserting the batteries according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then, thread the machine as you would a traditional sewing machine, ensuring the thread is properly fed through the tension control and needle. Now, let's put your handheld sewing machine to work. Place the fabric you want to sew under the presser foot and hold it firmly in place. Press the power button to activate the machine, then guide it along the fabric in the direction you want to sew. As you sew, keep a steady pace and gently guide the fabric to ensure even stitches. The handheld sewing machine may not be as precise as a traditional sewing machine, so take your time and practice on scrap fabric before tackling your project. Once you've completed your stitches, lift the presser foot and gently pull the fabric away from the machine. Trim any loose threads, and voila, you've successfully sewn with a handheld sewing machine. In conclusion, handheld sewing machines are versatile tools that offer convenience and portability for all your sewing needs. Whether you're making quick repairs or working on small projects, these handy devices are a must-have addition to any sewing kit. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.